Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins Chrysler Jeep and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2014 Ford Explorer Limited. It's pearl white in color, tan leather interior. It's got cool and ventilated seats. It's got power seats both sides. It's a 7-passenger vehicle. You won't find a car like this anywhere. Got 20-inch wheels and tires. It's even got a power lift gate. This has blind spot and crosspath detection, rear backup camera. It's also got navigation and Bluetooth, only has 46,607 miles on it. This also has a power moonroof. It's rated at 17 city, 24 highway. This car you will only find at Firkins. Call me, Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. Find it at Firkins.